Alright, welcome everyone. I'm going to give you a tour of my little rocket launcher that I have here. Here you can see up close the little labels I have on here. Arm and standby. Got my company name on there. Of course, launch control. Over on the side it says DC output. I decided to use outlets there. It's an easy connectivity. And over here, manual disconnect. I got a wire going in and out. I'll show you the inside in a second. I got this this long wire that goes over to the actual launch control. You push this and of course the rocket would launch. So you got your standby and you've got your arm with the protective cover. Flip that. And when you close the cover, of course, the switch actually switches off when you close the red cover. That's called a safety cover. And then the outlet goes over to here, and we have this 25-foot long extension cord, and then we have this, expandable cord, which I clip the ends off of and attach two alligator clips. And you electricians out there, of course, will notice that I have the poles flipped, positive to negative and negative to positive. That's only because I actually wired it wrong inside the box. And playing the part of the rocket today will be the multimeter set to measure DC volts. Right, what you see on the screen there is actually 66 millivolts. Just some excess charges running rampant through the system right now. That'll disappear in a second, and then it should register 6.36 volts or so. So now I'm going to show you the inside of the box. I've got the box held shut by a magnet. Inside, see the power source. Right there you can see one of the connectors has two wires coming from it. That's the negative pole of the battery. One of them goes over towards the outlet as the negative side. It really should have been on the other side, but as I said, I wired it wrong. And then there's this, of course, which goes to the launch control right over there. And then the other wire that comes from the negative pole comes up to here and is connected to the ground of this switch, which have a little indicator light on the top, right there. So when you switch this on and there's power going to it, this will tell you. That's actually also how I do a systems check, is by that indicator light. And then this switch is wired in series with the other switch with the safety cover on it. And then finally you have a wire running down to the positive end of the outlet. Okay, so I am going to give you a demonstration of how the whole system works together. Like playing the part of the rocket, of course, again will be the multimeter. So let's see what we can do. We have our launch control. This is how we do a systems check. We flip the standby switch on, okay, and then we go over to here to the launch button and press this, and you see the indicator light comes on. Okay, system is good. And then now it is on standby. System is standing by. And we flip this, and we say the system is now armed, ready to go launch. And the multimeter is now registering 250 millivolts and climbing. And it reaches the threshold at some point and actually starts back over at 0. So now what we're going to do, I'm going to show you that the whole system works. Sorry about the glare. See, now the rocket would actually launch if we had a rocket. 6.35 volts, that's about right. That's what we're getting from our battery. Directly from our battery we get 6.35 volts. Let go of that and it launches. Of course it doesn't take nearly that long to launch an actual rocket, something like that, and the rocket would be off, Okay, well, thank you for watching. So that's my rocket launcher. This video was made at the request of Philip Little, who is somewhere across the country right now. I'm actually not sure where he is. Phils, hope you enjoy it, and anyone else who's watching, I hope you enjoyed also. Thank you for watching.